Hello everybody, I want to show you with this video how you can transfer data from the internal storage to the microSD card at the Samsung Galaxy Tab A9 Plus. First of all, let me tell you, you don't need to download an extra app for having a File Explorer. You have already here one pre-installed. So let's start now. So you find it here already at the taskbar or at latest here at the app drawer. The app is named My Files. Okay, just start here. And first of all, in this app, you have a nice overview, all your images, videos, audio files, everything organized. But we will need this point here, the internal storage. And here are all the folders, which one contains stuff you can transfer to the SD card. And I would recommend to you to start with the photos and videos you've done with your camera, because this is usually taking the most of the storage. Okay, where to find them? Here, a bit hidden at the DCIM folder and at the camera folder, and here all your pictures and videos you have done with your camera. So to select one, just long press the picture you want to transfer, and then it's marked here, and then you can mark also the other ones if you want, or if you want to select them all, just tap here to select them all. After, you can copy them for safety, or if you want to have more storage on your internal storage, just tap here on move. Okay, now just go here on the left side, scroll down a bit. If you haven't seen it here already, we will have here the SD card. Just tap here now on the SD card. And I would recommend to you to organize it, like in my case, with folders, because if there's too much data, you will lose the overview. To create folders, just tap here on the 3 points and you can create a folder. Okay, I've created already some folders, as you can see here, and I have also a DCIM folder. So I have also a camera folder. Okay, and now I go on move here. And now the tablet is transferring all the pictures and videos I've marked before here in this folder. So as you can see, pretty easy. Let me show you something else. Let's go back again here on the left side to the internal storage. Because what I've shown you with files, you can do the same thing also with folders. Just long press here a folder, then it's marked. You can now mark the other ones and also move or copy them directly. Same thing, and pretty nice and easy. Okay, let me show you something else. If you want to save a bit time, to don't transfer always the photos and videos you've done with the camera, just tap here on the camera, go here on the settings wheel, and now scroll down a bit, go on the point storage location, and you can set up the storage for your future pictures and videos. Choose now the SD card, and that means whenever you take a picture right now or a video, it goes directly to the SD card and you will save a bit time. Yeah, I hope I could help you with this video and answer your question. And yeah, maybe if you want, you can leave me a nice comment or give me a thumbs up. That will be very helpful for my videos. Thank you so much for, and I've created also some other videos if you're interested in some tips and tricks and so on. You can also subscribe me if you haven't done it before. Thank you so much for your support, and yeah, maybe until next time. Ciao.